Hi, I'm Dr. Kenshuk Marwa. I'm a senior eye surgeon of Fortis Eye Institute, and here I'm about to discuss about uveitis. So any itis, if you know, like conjunctivitis, means that it's the redness. So uveitis means the layer within the retina and behind the white part gets inflamed, and that's called uveitis. So uveitis is of three types. So in the eye, sometimes it is in the front part, which is called the conjunctivitis iriditis, and it's called iridocerclitis. So irido means this iris, the brown part gets inflamed, and the cyclo part gets inflamed. So it's called iridocyclitis. And sometimes there's an intermediate uveitis in which the middle part of the eye, this pink part gets inflamed, and rest is the back part of the eye, which is called the posterior part, which can be the retinitis or choroiditis. In the anterior uveitis, you have redness, and sometimes you have repeated redness or conjunctivitis. It is due to the anterior uveitis. So anterior uveitis sometimes is correlated with many inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, and it can be because of other systemic disorders which we have to investigate. Similarly, in the case of posterior choroiditis, sometimes it can be idiopathic or associated with some kind of a viral fever, or there can be many causes like even tuberculosis, syphilis, sarcoidosis, or systemic lupus erythematosus. So all these investigations, you have to get it done by a retina specialist, and we will further investigate and see whatever best we can. If you are having a relapse of redness and you find there's a sudden blurriness, if your retina specialist or the anterior segment specialist says that you are having choroiditis or inflammation, then you need to further investigate, and we do some medicines in conjunction with the rheumatoid arthritis specialist or a rheumatologist, as we call it. So sometimes we go in tandem with those people. Thank you.